At today's Gram Sabha, we had placed a proposal condemning the website which has promoted sex tourism, and Benaulim has been named in it. Besides Benaulim, there are a few more coastal villages. We've also, at the same Gram Sabha, opposed the tourism master plan. This tourism and its negative effects is what is being promoted. We urged the Panchayat through our proposal to take a resolution condemning this website, condemning the statements made about religious places also providing call girls, all these escort facilities. But to utter shock, the Sarpanch, being a lady Sarpanch, could have taken lead in this, has sent me a letter that they cannot discuss this, which will call for undue attention. I feel that since we have been denied our right to propose a very clear and fair proposal, we will take this matter up with the authorities, with the director, besides also following up with the authorities of the government, the tourism, the collector, and the even to the president, because this maligns the name of household women, of households from Benaulim, college students. I wouldn't want to state the statements made in this website. I feel ashamed to even say it. But in the interest of the generations of our future, of the women of Benaulim, the children of Benaulim, we will work towards stopping this website.
The Gram Sabha of Benaulim have deliberated on the status of the Western bypass. The people are very unhappy with the attitude of the government, and they have advised the Panchayat to pursue legal options to ensure that the Western bypass is built on stilts so as to avoid the ecological damage to the surroundings. The Panchayat, the Gram Sabha members has also objected to the insertion of section 16B to the Goa TCP Act. It is nothing but a ploy to convert the orchard lands for the benefit of the builder community. If by this section, insertion of this section, Goa will be only a concrete jungle, and the remaining trees like mango trees, cashew trees, jackfruit trees, whatever remain in another, they will be no more and will lose our identity.